Got a 2007 Chevy Tahoe 5.3 liter V8. Anyways, what we got done on it for you guys. Factory converters, there and there. Then no third cat on this one, which is good. So it's gonna sound even better. And what we did is put a Flowmaster 40 series original, part number 8042443. There'll be a link in the description for it, right there. Then a 2.5-inch tailpipe out the back into dual tip, side angle, dual tip right there. You guys can see, came out really nice, really clean. There it is. So 2.5-inch tailpipe and Flowmaster 40 series. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment. And guys, we got a 2007 Chevy Tahoe with some 24s on it. Really nice car. Check it out. I like wheels on these Tahoes. They look so good. 26s. I'm sorry. He corrected me. With 26s on it. Even better. Fits the wheel well perfectly. As you guys can see right there. Got factory converter there. Factory converter there. Then it winds into a single. And what we put on it is a Carven Type R. Here's the part number. If you guys want a link, there'll be a link in the description for it. CVESR 25, 2.5 in, 2.5 out. Then 2.5-inch extension. Then 3-inch tailpipe. And then there was a resonator here. We took it off also and replaced it with a dual tip out the back side. There'll be a link in the description for it too. An Amati tip right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And there's the big muffler that was on it right there. And there's the resonator that was on it right there that we cut off. So we cut them both off, give it that sound, that mean sound. Gave it the dual look out the back on one side. Came out really nice, really clean. So, hope you guys like it. Then we'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and it's a 2014 Chevy Tahoe with some 26 snowflakes there. 5.3 liter V8. What we got done on it for you guys. Got factory converter there. There. And the dreaded third cat there. I hate that cat. The new ones don't come with them, so, which is a big plus. Then what we did is put a Dynomax race bullet, part number 24215, 2.5 in, 2.5 out, right there. There's the factory flex pipe, and then we added pipe to it, 2.5 pipe into his 3-inch tailpipe, and then we cut the resonator off that goes usually here and put a massive 5-inch tip rolled right there. As you guys can see, there's the resonator we cut off, there's the muffler we cut off, and make sure you always cut this off, which is the flap, because it will rattle if you don't. There it is. This is after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And look, they put the Escalade lights on them, so I love that. Really nice. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. There'll be a link in the description for everything that you saw in this video. Oh, that sounds so good. You know me, guys, I always say, Flowmaster never disappoints. That sounds so nice. Chevy Tahoe 5.3 liter. Here's sound decibels. Right at 98. Perfect. Just deep. Oh, that sounds so good. I like it. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. That's it. Carven R. Oh, it's beautiful. That's the sound. It's not overly crazy, just clean, you know? Here's sound decibels. 103. Again. Perfect. Go ahead and back it out. Smooth, nothing raspy, nothing crazy. And what you got on it, if they ask, it's Carven arm.
Carven.
Yeah, then 26s, baby. Yeah, that's perfect. The black looks better.
Yeah.
You're right. Got the Escalade lights on it. That sounds so good. Carven never disappoints, guys. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Dynomax race bullet. Oh wow, I like it. Oh, I like how he depatched it all too. That sounds good. That's a 251. Again. 102 on the sound decibels. He didn't want it too loud. He wanted a nice deep tone. That's why we didn't put the smaller bullet on it. The 250, we put the 251. So if you guys want to like just a nice deep tone, that's what you do. That's nice. And it will get a little bit louder once it breaks in about 30 days. That sounds really nice. There it is. And he's a veteran, guys. Thanks for his service. That sounds really nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Tahoe 2008. Custom wheels. We just finished the exhaust on it for you guys. Flowmaster 40, 2.5-inch tailpipe, dual tip out the back. Came out really clean. There she goes. Enjoy, guys. Tahoe with Carven R, resonator delete, and dual tip. Custom lights on the front, Escalade lights on the back. He's getting the black grill for it. He's just finishing it up. It looks really clean. I like it. Big boy 26s. They actually fit perfect on that car. It's hard to get 26s on stuff and look right. This looks perfect on it. Perfect. Chevy Tahoe. Dynomax race bullet. 6-inch tip. Resonator delete.